Hello YouTube user. Dito sa video na to, sa tutorial ko, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nyo marirecord yung internal sound ng device nyo. So, open mo muna yung mobile data mo, and then go, go to Google Play Store. Then after that, you're gonna have to put in here yung Movies and Samsung screen recorder. And then, as you can see, I have already installed it on my Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Etong method na to, gumagana lang yata siya for Samsung. So, all features 100% free. Download the easy to use Movies and Star Broadcasting. So, na-download ko na siya and na-install ko na rin siya dito sa device ko. I-open ko na lang siya ngayon. Then, pag na-open siya, balian dito siya sa una. Pupunta nyo lang siya dito sa may setting na icon na to. And then, itong sound. Yan. Ngayon, kapag naka-off to, hindi kayo makakapili kung pang external ba o internal. So, i-on nyo lang siya. Ngayon, pwede na kayo pumili kung pang external o internal yung gagamitin yung sound. Kung ano yung gusto nyo ma-record, yung pang internal na sound ba o yung pang external sound. Ayan. So, ngayon, alam nyo na yun. Ayan. So, if you have any question and concern about this video, or if you have any suggestion kung paano about more tutorials, just feel free to comment below. And then if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now. And if you want to be notified all the time I upload my video, just click nyo lang yung bell button dun sa may video ko, dito sa may video ko. Yun nga. Alright. So wait. So see you guys on my next YouTube video tutorial. Good night.